Hi, this is Greg from Business Automated. Today I will show you how to create forms using Airtable. Here we have a start table inside of Airtable that we'll be using for our form. Let's assume that I want to create a submission form for the clients for my automation business. So these are the fields that I will be using inside of the form. So we have the name, we have the email, we have the Twitter handle. We also have questions about what software would you like to connect. So here it's a multiple select field, and let's create a couple of options here. There can be many more options, so also let's create a free select field for our customers to fill out what other software they would like to integrate. Finally, we have notes for any additional comments, and we'll add one more field, which will be the duration of the project. Here it will be a single select field. Okay, and the last field, status, we will leave for us for any decision making. Okay, now let's create the form. So here we will select form. And by default, Airtable will put all the information that we need here, which is great. So let's just do a little bit of a customization. So let's create some title for this form. And more description. Okay, and let's start with the first field, and this will be a required field. We also can add some support text if we need. Here, email will be also required. Twitter handle, it will be, let's say, optional field in this case. And now, in terms of the software that we would like to connect, let's do this as a list. So this way we are showing all examples of the software that our customers could potentially automate. We also can have another field over here called other, but let's display this field only conditionally if we select here that we have not found the software that we need. So for that, we just need to go back to the table, and we will add one more choice inside of the multiple select, and this will be other software. Okay, so now we would like to have this field show up only conditionally. So please name other software you would like to connect. And we will show this conditionally only if the selected option is other. Here the notes, we will change the title. For the duration of the project, we would also like to show this as a list, and we will make it a required field. And for the status, since this is our internal field and we don't want it here, we will hide this field. We'll click remove from the form. In this case, we don't want to show Airtable branding, and then redirect to URL after the form is submitted. We'll use the business website here. And we click save, and that's it. So now we can open the form and test how it works. And let's select software that we would like to connect. Let's say other software as well. All right. And we have submitted the form, and we got redirected to our website. As well, we have received this submission here inside of our Airtable. Great. In the next step, I will show you what can be done with automating the form submission using Airtable automation. So please subscribe for more automation videos.